Now we are going to do reverse plank hold. Reverse plank hold is going to be like this. The legs are going to be straight and my arms are going to be on the floor. I'll show you how. I don't think so. It's like this. Like this it's going to be. So this will do only 10 counts. I know you all cannot hold. There should be a strong arms for it or you all will get hurt. So let's begin. The last exercise, reverse plank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It gets hurt here. So whoever can do, otherwise please don't do. Your elbow will get okay. Okay. I'll answer for this question, Archana Divekar, after finishing the session. Acidity is basically like exercise is also okay, but for the eating and all. Hi Shashi. Whatever the core exercise we are doing it, that's all the thing whichever acidity is also going to go, and please eat clean food so then that acidity doesn't come onto you. It's because of the oily food what you all are eating, lots of oil, lots of carbs, you all are not having proper protein, fats or something. Good fats you all should eat. If you are eating fat, you all can have ghee but not much of ghee, and please no eating oil. Whatever you all eat on ghee, olive oil or coconut oil, but the normal oil whatever you all are eating, that's not good for your health. Whatever it's safola, heart, whatever, always have olive oil or coconut oil or proper ghee. That won't give you any acidity, Archana Divekar. Always have clean food, and for the you have to go on your back and sleep for a while on knee bend, so then all the acidity will go off. I'll surely give you an exercise, Archana ji, surely. So we are doing the plank last exercise. Let's begin with the same exercise, second set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's great. That's great, Archana ji. I'm happy to hear that. Drink lots of water. Drink almost ajwain water. In fact, if you all just soak ajwain water in the night and early morning, and whenever you get up morning, please have ajwain water with a half lemon squeezed in the water and just drink that. Last exercise, last set. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay guys, we are done with an exercise. Let's do stretches. Stretches is always must while doing an exercise. After finishing the exercise, we should stretch our body because it shouldn't get hurt any part of our hand, legs or core. So now we did this part, so this part is getting hurt. So now we'll do stretches. We'll start the stretch with this. So it goes, take your hand, take your left hand's finger on your right hand's palm's finger and press backward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Same thing, go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the other hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now for the shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch as many you can. Now with the left hand, right hand elbow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you have to go like this. Right hand up, left hands on your elbow and squeeze downward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same thing on the second hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now stretch your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now come down and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch your core. Now go bend like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Legs apart. One hand on your waist and one hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we have done with the stretches. I am done. So I hope everybody liked my workout session and whatever tips I have given. I hope everybody is happy with it. And thank you for coming live on my session. Love you all. Keep rocking. Be beautiful. Keep glowing. See you soon. Back on another session. I am signing off. Bye.